Microsoft Copilot is not just an AI application. It's a paradigm change enhancing productivity through integration with Microsoft 365 apps. With real-time assistance, it enhances collaboration, allowing task delegation and automated follow-ups. Utilize data-driven decisions by extracting insights from unstructured data using Excel and Power BI. Optimize workflows with natural language commands and integration in Teams and SharePoint. Microsoft Copilot uses large language models to understand context and achieve task completions. It leverages Microsoft Graph to connect data across apps for accurate and consistent information. Natural language processing enables seamless interaction with users, enhancing user experience. Adaptive cards provide dynamic tasks and actionable insights in Teams and Outlook for enhanced efficiency. Imagine querying sales data with Copilot to visualize trends and deliver actionable insights instantly. Copilot addresses escalating cybersecurity threats using Microsoft Defender, Azure AD, and Sentinel. Transform meeting outcomes by generating summaries, assigning tasks, and automating follow-ups. Streamline compliance management by automating audit trails and generating compliant reports. Revolutionize financial forecasting using Excel and Power BI for dynamic market trend analysis. Integrate IoT data with Power BI to monitor equipment and reduce unscheduled downtime dramatically. In healthcare, analyze patient records to recommend tailored treatment plans and ensure compliance. Microsoft Copilot is human-centric, scalable, and built on a secure cloud platform, ensuring compliance. Align Copilot with your workflows using Microsoft Graph APIs and ensure user adoption through training. The future includes AI-powered compliance, predictive collaboration, and intelligent integration capabilities. Microsoft Copilot is a transformative tool for enhancing productivity. Ready to elevate your workflow?